Hello, welcome back to Paramount Classic Cars. Today we're going to rebuild one of our Brembo brake calipers for our Ferrari frame, which are very expensive calipers and very hard to rebuild. They're not like your regular GM caliper or nothing. So let's get started. Okay, now we're putting the seals in the calipers. They're really tight and they got to go in nice and straight. Boom, and the piston's in. We have run some of our wiring in the car, and here we have our wiring running right through the tube of the frame to the rear of the car to power to the fuel pump, tail light, the fuel sender for the gas tank. We left a good amount of wire up this end to wire it all up to the dash and circuit board.